Okay, Dr. Huebner, I am here with Michael. Michael is here he's actually just shy of 5 months from his procedure. He is definitely ahead of schedule, so I wanted to showcase his results just at 5 months, and he still has more density that's going to come in over the next couple months, and up to 1 year is when you can actually thicken up. But looking at his old pictures, it's just such a difference. We had to showcase it. As you can see, and I'll have him do his little poses here so you can hold it or kind of see the difference. But Michael, overall, tell me how this first 5 months has been, and tell me, has anyone noticed? Have you noticed any difference? Tell me what your life is like now with a hairline.
Well, I had to drive in to show you how great it looks, because I don't know that you'd capture it on video. The past month my hairline is really taken form, and it's such a natural hairline that I think, and now that the front is starting to grow and it's short and it's more defined, that it's definitely more noticeable. But people have just said, "Hey, you look good. What's good? What have you been doing?" And it's just, as you had said, a confidence level for me. I'm so happy I did it. I'm sorry I didn't do it 10 years ago. And for all you prospective people out there, don't wait. Just do it when you can. Figure it out. You'll get it paid for. It's the best thing that I've ever done.
It's a great investment in yourself, it's a permanent investment. So we were talking, this hair will be there when you're 80 years old. You'll have this hairline. I love how we put his hairline with enough recession so it looks natural. It's not something that catches the eye as looking a little too low, and it's still filling in. You can see the differences. I'll just put things side by side here. Look at that shelf of hair coming through the center there, as opposed to before where he had this high recession. I'll show this side too. I'm going to model you here, man. Look at that. I mean, actually, when he came in the door, I didn't even recognize him, to be honest. I thought it was someone else. So just saw his old pictures, and I wasn't expecting anything at this. He's definitely ahead of schedule. From the top two, I'll show you what that looks like. And it is just night and day. His crown is still, as usual, the crown will lag behind a little bit, but I'll show you there because we did focus on that. He had a big bald spot before, and now it's kind of just filling in. He's a guy that's now thinning in the crown as opposed to a guy that's completely bald in the crown. So I am so happy for you, and thank you so much for making the drive and showing us too. Very cool, and I cannot wait to see your final results. Absolutely. I mean, that's going to be really amazing. So
you're the master. You're the one to thank.
Thank you for thank you for showing your story, and anybody that needs any information, please contact us here at Natural Transplants. Thanks so much. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.